In Dagbani, we also greet based on the weather situation. For example, when the weather is very cold, whether it's in the morning or during the Hamatan or when after rain and the weather is very cold, we greet little masum, little masum. And the response is nna, nna. And also when the sun is scorchy or during the Hamatan when the sun is very scorchy, we also greet little wuntanga, little wuntanga. So that one too, and the response is nna. The response is nna. During the heat period, when the weather is very hot and we are all sweaty, that one too, we greet Nitutulum, Nitutulum, or Nituwalgu, or Nituwalgu, and the response is Nna. That is the weather based greetings in Dagbani. And so when the weather is hot, or when the sun is scorching, or when you are all sweaty and you meet someone in Tamale or in Yindi or any other place and it's at Dagbana, just say Nitimasum when it is cold, Nitutulum when the weather is hot, or Nitiwalgu when it is all sweaty. I hope you've learned something new today.